Hi everyone. So finally, the Supreme Court verdict regarding the NEET and JEE postponement has come. So there is no shifting in the NEET examination date or JEE examination date. It will be conducted as per schedule. So yeah, September 13th is the NEET date, and a lot of people were contributing a lot of garbage on videos to increase their views. And finally, I think it will settle down again. And a small message to all the aspirants: देखो भाई, you have wasted a lot of time over this thing from last 2 3 months. One good thing is there, most of the people have wasted the time only. So if right now also you will wake up in the last 25 26 days also, if you will wake up and full dedicated preparation, if you will start, you will be able to get a good rank. Marks may increase or decrease, cutoff might decrease, not increase, cutoff might decrease, because of this kind of rucksack being created from the last at least 2 3 4 months, and the studies got completely disturbed. A lot of people are out of their line. So in last 25 days also, if you can give your best, you might qualify this exam very easily. Give your best now. Please wake up. Don't create any more problems, any more troubles in your own life. So yes, the date is same. All the very best. My all good wishes are for you. But please learn. Please learn on YouTube, on TV. Any further time if you waste checking about the news or trying to do something new, NEET exam is going to be, JEE exam is going to be conducted on the same date as prescribed. You cry out as much as loud as you want, but prepare well and cry in the half an hour time you get in your day in case you want to cry out also. But prepare well. This year, Supreme Court has also said the same thing. We can't let the year of the student get wasted. This year will get wasted because of that one last 25 days, not 1 month also. Last 25 days carelessness can make you skip this year, and you might have to prepare for this examination all over again. So please, if you are a serious or semi-serious aspirants, at least give your last 25 days clearly to the preparation of the NEET and JEE examination. JEE to even less days are left. So for NEET, at least last 25 days, give your level best. That's all I would like to say. Thank you so much for hearing it out, and don't waste your time in any other place. That's the authentic news. Thank you so much.